welcome back to the next Project Bimmer video. Got a few jobs I want to do, but the most important job is to replace the rear section of exhaust, and I'll show you why. Okay, as you can see, I've got quite a bit of the rear section of exhaust missing. The end of the tailpipe. I'll fire it up and you'll see what it sounds like. Tell that doesn't sound too clever. Now I jumped on eBay and I've ordered this section of exhaust here, so we'll just get the back end up and we'll get it swapped out. Shouldn't be too difficult. I've taken some of it apart before. It's just a joint, so I'll get it up in air and then we can show you what's what. Okay, my only concern is this joint. I've had everything else apart, so if I can get these bolts out intact without shearing them or anything, should be able to should be a breeze of it with the exhaust. Now the bolts, they're 13mm. I think the nuts are 10. Let's see if I get it with me ratchet. No, my half-inch. Now I knew this might be a problem, so that's why I've got my 3/8 socket set to hand. Then I get them with half-inch ratchet. So just find a 13mm socket. If you can get this to shift. Yeah. So we'll try this sponge. Squirt some of the good stuff. It just doesn't seem to want to budge right until the do the 2-spanner trick. Oh, I heard that go. Yep. I think there are lots moving. Yep, I think you can see there are a lot moving. Well, in the end, I decided I was going to waste these nuts and bolts that look really rusty. So I just cut through between the flanges. I'll just try to show you, because there's a gap between the flange. I just cut through there, and I got both the bolts cut. So I just need to undo the exhaust at the back, and it should come out easily now. And I think I found some suitable replacement nuts and bolts. I had a look in my little stock of nuts and bolts, and I think I found something I can use. So we'll get to the back and we'll get that off as well. Okay, so this should be easy enough. If you remember from when we did the real wheel bearings, I sprayed this with some white grease and it was 13mm. So just undo the clamp. Alright, just unhook this and there we go, that's the rear section of his exhaust off the car. Alright, here's the old and new one side by side. It looks to be about right. This one I got off eBay, about 40 odd quid. I can put a link in the description. Right, so let's see if we can get this new section of exhaust fitted. Well, I've got it all buttoned up and I'll just show you the difference with this exhaust fit, so I'll go fire it up. And yes, that's definitely a lot better than the old one. So I think we can call this one a success. Being an aftermarket part, I had to do a bit of fettling to make it fit, but got there in the end. It's rough, it's in the right place, and there's no leaks. I'm sure I get that joint clamped up as well. Had to put a bit of exhaust paste on it, but it's done the job. No blowing. So that's the end of this bit. I do have another job I want to do, so we'll move on and see if we can get this done. Okay, so there's one thing that's not worked on this car since I got it, and that's the reverse lights. I've been keeping meaning to do it, but I think in the previous video I was going to do it and I forgot. Anyway, I'm going to have a look at it now. I've turned the car around, so get the front end up and we'll have a look. Okay, I've been underneath the car. I found the connector for the reversing slide switch. I put the multimeter across it and I'm getting nothing. And I've just checked the bulbs. I've taken the bulbs out and tested them. The bulbs are working, so that's something else eliminated. So I'm thinking if there's no power getting through to that switch in the first place, maybe a fuse has popped. So let's check that out next. Okay, so the fuse box is here, and I think I'm getting somewhere because just looking, it tells you what all the fuses are, and found out there's a fuse for reversing lights, which is number 26. So let's find fuse 26. Right, okay, now according to this, fuse 26 is 10 amps, which is a red one. I think these are the ones we're looking for. 30, 28, 27. Right, this is our reverse light fuse. I've written the diagram wrong. So let's have a look. Well, that seems to be intact. Just put the lid back on this fuse box. I think we can safely say that's not, the fuse is not the problem. Okay, I'm going to show you something. I'm messing with that fuse. I've got a reversing light working again. Now, I remember When I had the MOT failure, I took the brake light bulb and I swapped it with the reverse light, and this is why this one's not working, because this one's but we seem to have a reverse light back, so that's the one problem fixed. So I'll sort this bulb holder out, see if we can get some life out of it. I know the bulb works, I've tested the bulb, so I just need to sort the bulb holder out. But yeah, there it is, working reverse light. Okay, we've got a result, we've got both reverse light bulbs working. So it was just a matter of pulling the fuse out and reseating it, and then sorting out that bulb holder. So that's another job ticked off the list. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up for this video. I've got quite a bit done. I fixed 2 things, and I sorted out that exhaust, which is the most important thing, and I got reverse lights back. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like and subscribe and share. Questions and comments, you know what, Pum, as ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you. Oh, there's just one more thing. This is something I did off camera a few days ago. I got myself a new gear knob, and as you can see, it's better than the old one. And the interior light's gone out, so I'll put it back on. That was a bit of a saga. I bought one on eBay, never turned up. So anyway, look, I got a refund off that. So ordered one on Amazon, and it turned up the next day. Really easy job. You just pull it out and then just push it in. It's like an interference fit. So that's something else I'd done. I nearly forgot. So that's definitely the end of this video.